welcome back. In this video, let us learn about atmospheric pressure. And just before learning about atmospheric pressure, let us learn what is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Let us learn. Atmosphere is composed by air, water vapor, and dust particles. Atmosphere is the composition of air, water vapor will be there, and also dust particles will be there. Water vapor and dust particles. All this is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere is composed by air, water vapor, and dust particles. All this is known as atmosphere. At normal atmospheric conditions, the percentage of water vapor in the atmosphere will be 1.4%. 1.4% of water vapor will be present in the atmosphere at normal conditions. And this atmosphere is composed by layers, atmospheric layers. This atmosphere is composed by atmospheric layers. And these layers can exert the pressure on the surface of the ground. These layers can exert the pressure on the surface of the ground. That is known as atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by these layers on the surface of the ground is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure can be measured by using barometer. It can be measured by using a barometer. Atmospheric pressure can be measured by using a barometer. Barometer was constructed by Torricelli. Constructed by name of the scientist called Torricelli. Torricelly. Torricelli. And it consists of, this barometer consists of a glass tube of length. Of length 1 meter. Length approximately 1 meter. Need not be exactly 1 meter, but approximately 1 meter. Maybe little more or less than 1 meter. But and diameter should be 1 centimeter. And it is closed at one end and opened at the other end. Closed at one end and opened at the other end. Closed at one end and opened at the other end. It consists of. And thicker glass tube of length approximately 1 meter. And what is the percentage of water vapor in the atmosphere? Asked in group 2 previous question. 1.4% of water vapor will be present in the atmosphere at normal conditions. 1.4% of water vapor will be present in the atmosphere at normal atmospheric conditions. 1.4%. And this glass tube is approximately 1 meter and diameter should be exactly 1 centimeter. It is closed at one end and opened at the other end. From the open end, it is to be filled up with mercury. It is to be filled up with mercury. So, by filling up with mercury, the level of mercury in barometer will be 76 centimeters. The level of mercury in barometer will be 76 centimeters. 76 centimeters. What is the level of mercury in barometer at normal atmospheric conditions? It was group 2 previous question. The level of mercury would be 76 centimeters at normal atmospheric conditions. level of mercury will be 76 centimeters at normal atmospheric conditions. The level of mercury will be 76 centimeters at normal atmospheric conditions. This is 76 centimeters. This 76 centimeters is also known as 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure or 1.03 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Pascal is the name of the scientist, unit for pressure, or 1.03 bar. It is clear that 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power of 5 pascals. 10 to the power of 5 pascals. This is the level of mercury. It consists of a barometer. It consists of a glass tube of length approximately 1 meter. It need not be exactly 1 meter, but diameter should be exactly 1 centimeter, which is closed at one end and opened at the other end. From the closed end, open end, it is to be filled up with mercury. Now, the level of mercury will be 76 centimeters. It consists of a thicker glass tube of length 1 meter, but diameter should be exactly, inner diameter should be 1 centimeter. It is to be filled up with mercury, diameter like this. This is the diameter, and it is to be filled up with mercury. After filling up with mercury, a thumb is placed here. Now it is pressed. By pressing like that, it will be inverted. By inverting, it is immersed in mercury which is containing in another container. Now the thumb is left, thumb is removed out. Now the level of mercury will be 76 centimeters. This is also known as 1 atmospheric pressure or 1.03 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals or 1.03 bar. 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power of 5 pascals. And this level of mercury is 76 centimeters only at mean sea level, not all the places. At mean sea level. Sea level. Mean sea level. Not all the places. Means the place wherever it is equivalent height of sea level. So it is not possible in all the places, only at mean sea level. So this mean sea level will be this 76 centimeters, not all the places. Then not all the places, only at mean sea level. This is this thing, only at mean sea level. The level of mercury will be 76 centimeters. So here, whenever we remove the thumb here, whole of mercury should fall. Then why can't it fall? Why? Because whenever we fill up with mercury, all the air will come out. Inside, no air, vacuum, free space we call it as. No air, it is vacuum or free space full of. And outside, atmosphere will be there. Outside, atmosphere, normal atmosphere will be there. Inside, zero pressure, and due to this pressure difference it can stay up to 76 centimeters. Due to the pressure difference it can stay up to 76 centimeters, which is also known as 1 atmosphere or 1.03 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals or 1.03 bar. 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power of 5 pascals. This is known as 1 atmosphere pressure. Actually, now some other devices that can work based on pressure difference, but actually whenever we remove the thumb, a whole of mercury should fall. Then why can't it fall? Why? Because due to the pressure difference. Outside high pressure will be there, inside zero pressure will be there. Here this is called vacuum. Here Torricellian vacuum, no air hits here, not even air. This is called Torricellian vacuum. Torricellian vacuum. Now, some other devices that can work based on pressure difference. Some other devices that work, devices that work based on pressure difference. based on pressure difference. Pressure difference. Based on pressure difference. So that is ink filler works based on pressure difference. Ink filler. Whenever ink is placed, so that ink filler is one of the end of the open end of the filler is kept in the ink, which is consisting in the ink filler. We should press the other end. Then the whole air from the filler will come out. Inside, low pressure or zero pressure. But outside, on the ink, what is there? Air. Air occupies empty space. Air is present everywhere. Now, air exerts the pressure on the surface of the ink. Now, the ink enters from high pressure zone into low pressure zone. That is from ink bottle to the ink filler it goes. Similarly, whenever we want to drink, so that is cool drinks or soft drinks, cool drink with the help of the straw. Cool drinks or soft drinks with the help of the straw. Help of the straw. What do we do here? We will keep one end of the straw in the liquid, in the cool drink or soft drink, the other end in the mouth. We suck in the air present in the straw. Now the air enters into our mouth. Now, whenever we suck in the air, low pressure can be generated in the straw. But on the upper surface of the liquid, what will be there? Air will be there. Air occupies empty space now. Now, the air exerts the pressure on the surface of the liquid. Now, that liquid enters from high pressure zone into low pressure zone. That liquid enters from high pressure zone into low pressure zone. Okay. So, whenever we drink with the help of the straw, one end in the mouth, the other end in the soft drink or cool drink, we suck in the air. Low pressure can be generated in the straw, but on the upper surface of the liquid, air will be there. Air exerts the pressure on the surface of the liquid. Now the liquid enters from that container into the straw. Similarly, with the help of pipette, if you want to, pipette. So in the beaker, then the solution enters from beaker into the pipette. So when one end of the pipette is kept in the mouth, the other end in the solution which is in the beaker, we suck in the air present in the pipette. But now low pressure can be generated in the pipette. But on the upper surface of the solution, what will be there? Air. Air occupies empty space. Now the air exerts the pressure on the surface of the solution. Now the solution enters from high pressure zone into low pressure zone. That is from pipette, that is from beaker into the pipette. Similarly, fourth one, whenever a kerosene dealer wants to take it out from with the help of the plastic pipe. So what does he do? We'll keep one end in the mouth, the other end in the kerosene. Now he sucks the air present in the kerosene, sucks the air present in the pipe. So low pressure can be generated in the pipe, but on the upper surface of the kerosene, what will be there? Air will be there. Air exerts the pressure on the kerosene. Now the kerosene enters from high pressure zone into low pressure zone. High pressure zone into low pressure zone. Now here also, whenever we fill up with a mercury, all the air will come out. Low pressure can be generated in the glass tube, but outside high pressure will be there. Due to this pressure difference, it can stay up to 76 centimeters. It's not all the places, only at the place which is equivalent height of mean sea level, like Mumbai, Kakinada, Machilipatnam, such places which is equivalent height of mean sea level, only it is 76 centimeters. If we go up above from this mean sea level or below from the mean sea level, the level of mercury will be changed. Now suppose that is also known as 1 atmosphere pressure, or 1.03 to 10 to the power of 5 pascals, or 1.03 bar. It is clear that 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power of 5 pascals. All these are the units for pressure. Pressure can measure in atmospheres, pascals, bars, centimeters of Hg, centimeters of mercury. This 76 centimeters is mercury. Centimeters of mercury we call it as, or centimeters of Hg. Mercury Its Latin name is mercury. Latin name is mercury hydrargyrum, Hg. Hydrargyrum Hg. That's why centimeters of Hg. All these are the units for pressure. Asked in different competitive examinations. What are the units for pressure? Or which of the following is not a unit for pressure? Can measured in centimeters of Hg, atmospheres, pascals, bar, like that. Then suppose if you go up from the surface of earth, what happens? Go from the mean sea level. If you go up from the mean sea level, from the mean sea level, what happens? Mean sea level. If you go up from the mean sea level, this atmosphere is depleted. Atmospheric layers are depleted. Since atmosphere is composed in different layers, atmospheric layers are depleted. Depleted. So, means atmospheric layers are depleted. Those depleted layers will not exert this much pressure. Therefore, the pressure decreases. The atmospheric pressure decreases. Atmospheric pressure decreases. Atmospheric pressure decreases. Due to decrease in atmospheric pressure, the level of mercury will go on decrease. So therefore, the level of mercury in barometer decreases. Mercury in barometer decreases. Barometer decreases. At which rate? Decrease for every 1, decrease by 2.54 centimeters. 2.54 centimeters. 2.54 centimeters. Decrease 2.54 centimeters for every 273.7 meters. For every 273.7 meters, 272.7 meters, 7 meters, 2.54 centimeters can be decreased. Centimeters is decreased. Means if we go to a height of 272.7 meters of height, the level of mercury in barometer can be decreased by 2.54 centimeters due to decrease in pressure or due to depletion of the atmospheric layers. If you go up from the mean sea level, the atmospheric layers won't be thicker. They will become thin or depleted. Those depleted layers will not exert this much pressure. Therefore, the pressure decreases. Due to decrease in pressure, the level of mercury in barometer falls. Instead of 76 centimeters, 76 minus 2.54, that is 73.46 centimeters will be there. If you go by 272.7 meters of height, there won't be 76 centimeters. 76 minus 2.54. Again from there, if we go by 278.7 meters, again 2.54 centimeters will be decreased from the existing level of mercury in the barometer. Means if we go up from the mean sea level, for every 278.7 meters, the level of mercury in barometer decreases by 2.54 centimeters.